certain medicines that we must keep within our own families. That is tapu, is sacred. Now, these traditional medicines, the tapu ones, are the sacred ones. These ones, if I was to teach you guys or show you guys, demonstrate it to you, something bad might happen to you or to myself right now. That is real tapu. So, but the medicine that I have for us today is taught by everyone and is taught to everyone. So ladies and gentlemen, now, there are two ways of making medicines here in the Cook Islands, right? Now, one of the first ways is right in the front here, right in front of me, is what we call the kumete. Can you all please say kumete? Kumete. Kumete, or medicine bowl, alright? Now, if you have been to Fiji, in Fiji they use the kumete for kava, kava ceremonies, right? But the kumete is used for medicine here in the Cook Islands, alright? Also guys, at the back here we have our umu. Can you all please say umu? Now we have the umu at the back here right now. If you're from New Zealand, right, Kiwis, I believe you guys call this hangi, right? Yeah? Anyone here from Australia? Yeah? What do you guys call this?
Weber.
What?
A Weber.
A Weber, a fire, a Weber, a fire. Which one is it?
Fire.
Barbecue, there you go. Right. In Australia they call this a barbecue, right? Now in Canada I believe they call it microwave. But ladies and gentlemen, umu, right? Now what we normally do with the umu is we heat up hot rocks that we use for making medicine, right? Now, has anyone here tried noni juice before? Yes. You have? You have? Anyone else? Anyone else ever tried noni juice? Yes. You have? Alright, now ma'am, in the best way you can explain it, what does noni juice taste like? Remember, we've got kids here. Different, right? Yes. Yes, yeah. Alright, now it tastes almost like malt vinegar, no? Yeah. Yeah, but it's real bitter, right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our noni fruit right here. It fruits all year round. Alright, so what a lot of locals do is they grab it when it's nice and yellow. We've got a noni tree behind me, alright? Now, grab it nice and yellow, and then we put it into kegs, alright? We fill up kegs, and then we let it ferment, and then we separate all the juice from the gunk and all that, alright? Now, noni juice is good for arthritis, high blood pressure, cuts and sores, mosquito bites. It's also healed cancer, right? But ladies and gentlemen, this is noni right here. Now, would you like a smell of it?
I tried it.
You tried it? Would you like a smell? What do you think of it?
Rotten cheese.
Smells like blue cheese? Yeah? So ladies and gentlemen, our noni right here. Any questions about noni? No? Alright, we'll move along now. Not everything here in the Cook Islands smell or taste yuck, alright? Now we do have a traditional medicine that does taste nice, alright? Which is a pawpaw. Now what do we normally use it for? Sunburns, right? So if you have a sunburn, all you want to do is cut it open, scrape the meat out, and the actual skin, you apply it to your sunburns, right? It soothes your sunburns. Also, the pawpaw seeds, a lot of locals give it to their kids because it kills tapeworms. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, our pawpaw right here. Now, before we move on to this demonstration right here, in the middle of our hut, underneath our hut, we have this monument that's hanging up, right? Now this is what we call the Ere Vairoa. Can you all please say Ere Vairoa? Ere Vairoa is found in one of the outer islands, Puka Puka, one of the most northern islands right now. On this island, what they do is they hang this up underneath a puka tree or in the Are Vairako, and then what they do is whoever's sick, right, they'll grab that person, lay them underneath the Ere Vairoa, and the taunga, his or her job is to keep an eye on these 4 loops, right? Now, if anything that flies, insect, mosquito, or bird, anything that flies through any of these loops, then they believe that the spirit of that sick person was gone. And so there's no point in making a medicine. But if nothing flew through any of these loops, then they knew that the spirit was still fine, and so they could make a traditional medicine for that person. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, everyone understand? Did you guys get it? Any questions about it? No? Alright, so the Ere Vairoa found only in the island of Puka Puka. Now right in front of me, right, is what we call the puroku. Right, now the puroku is mainly for fishermen before they go out fishing, right? Now what they do is they grab lime leaves of coconut juice, right, put it inside the kumete, and what the taunga does, he brings a hot rock and he puts it inside there, right? Now what they do is they normally have a blanket or a tupper, and they'll cover their heads and they'll inhale the steam, alright, and it clears their mind of any migraines or any, if they have sore heads or whatnot before they go out fishing, right? So ladies and gentlemen, the puroku, right? Now our chief, our kopa, he's going to bring a hot rock, he's going to put it inside here, and if those of you guys who want to come and have a little whiff of it, you can do so. I'll put it in the middle here. Right. So he's going to bring a hot rock up. before he puts it in, he always does a karakia chant as traditional.
Tiri kola tuku tuku na hiyo punaia.
Alright, so if you guys come closer, you can almost smell it right about now.
Like lemon.
It smells like lemon chicken, huh?
Yeah, lemon. Lemon.
Next hut. No, alright, where's your fella's chief? Oh, right here? Alright. Alright, buddy. Here you go. Alright, chief, let's go, move on to the next hut. Oh, don't mind.